You were getting worried, weren't you?
I was getting worried. Oh, jeez.
Yep, it's on. That one felt big. What is up, guys, and welcome back to another episode. In this one, we are fishing the Ohio River again. My brother Jake meets me out at the dam, and it is another absolute sleigh fest of the hybrid striped bass. I've been throwing a lot of Arigs at these dams because the fish have kind of transitioned a little bit, and a lot more bait has rolled in, and it's really hard to get the fish to see one little bait as opposed to 5 baits on the A-rig. So we've been throwing the A-rigs and we've been doing pretty well. It gets a little rainy and we get a little wet, but we catch a ton of fish in this one, and my brother catches his first hybrid striped bass in a few years. It's been a while since he's caught one. But yeah, the bite has continued to be absolute fire at these dams, and yeah, we're just gonna hop right into it. So stay tuned. I got one, he just had a hit too. Maybe, it doesn't feel that big. This might actually be a walleye. Might be a walleye. I think it is. There it is. No, it's a striper, I think. Not very big. What is that? Little striper. Don't worry. Yeah, I might as well net him. I don't want to lose that A-rig. I only got 3.
Yeah, I don't want him.
Thanks, buddy.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep.
Little guy. They exist though, Jake. See? It's real. No, he's little. First time you've seen this fish in a while, huh? Got him? Hey, bro. They're turning on. It's weird how things just turn on, man.
Yep.
What the hell's this? Oh, wait, you got me. I got a nice walleye. Yeah. Oh, no, Jake tangled me. It's alright. Shit. I don't know what I can do here. We're just gonna have to net her like that.
Yeah. It's gonna come. There you go.
Well, I can keep us busy till the stripers turn on, I guess.
Yeah. I got it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. That ain't a bad one. That's funny.
It's like, I'm just gonna drop this down.
Yeah, well. That ain't bad. Ain't huge. Probably keeps if I want to keep it. I imagine there's probably more there though. Man, look at that, he's clamped down on it. He's not even hooked. Oh yeah, he is. Looked like he was just around his tooth. I was like, good lord.
Mouth shut.
I'd say that probably would keep.
Oh yeah.
We'll just let her go there. Fatty for sure. Usually you catch them right there a little. I was confused because that one felt heavy. I was like, this one feels big. I'll hit on a drop, man. Oh yeah, I think I might be. Put that A-rig on, Jake. I'm telling you. I want to hit on the drop. It's not, they're not killing it, but you still have a better chance than on that. This might be a stud. This might be a stud. I can't tell yet. He was coming. He hit on. No, see, he hit on the drop and was coming at me. That's a good fish. Well, maybe not. Just hooked weird. A little guy, actually. Still smacked it. Alright, you ready? Woo! Perfect. Yeah, he's not very big. That one fought good though. It's like you can't judge him by the fight. Fight's a little tougher today, but I mean they're in here. They're just not feeding real good. There, bro. There she is. Now you know the bite, because it's so weird. Because that's not how you normally fish an A-rig. It's not bad. That might be a giant white bass.
Yeah.
Look at it is. That's a stud white bass. Holy shit. Yeah. That's a white bass.
It is too, isn't it?
Holy shit.
Straight line.
You just beat my white bass from the other day. Current's picking up too. I think that's another reason they turn. Oh god. That thing is fat, dude. Fat ass white bass. Alright. Camera's working again somehow.
Turn sideways.
Look how big it looks. You were getting worried, weren't you?
I was getting worried.
What you got? What's she doing? She's not fighting now? What do you got?
He shook his head a little.
Did you lose her? Oh, she's on her. Is that another giant? Is that a white? Is that another big ass white?
I think it might be. I think it might be.
Hey, they're fun too when they're that big. Oh, that's a hybrid. Yeah. Yeah. I can just tell by the color, I think. The whites are more yellow usually. I think that's a hybrid. That is a white.
How many broken?
That's a white bass.
How many broken lines or broken stripes do they need to have to be considered a?
I don't know. Actually, I can't. This one's very hard to. No, that's a big ass white bass.
It's got a smaller mouth.
Yeah,
too.
it's a big ass white bass. Hey, it's fish. This one's kind of tricky, but it's definitely a white. They don't have as much muscle too when you grab them. They're just like soft. Ain't as big as your other one. That's still a tank white bass. You could have probably brought that one up. It's so hard to tell the size of them when we're down here though.
That's why I was saying.
Oh, he's off. I lost. What do I got? I got a sauger on here. What? Sauger hit it on the fall. On the A-rig. A-rig sauger. Crazy. You have to go buy some A-rigs, man. Oh, that's a walleye. It's a good walleye.
Yeah, let me bank that.
Yeah. You want me to net him or you think you can get him? I don't know, how good's he hooked? Let's hand line him here. You reel. Let me see first. Oh, that's a good size walleye. Look, it's one to hit, Jake.
Keep hitting that like colorful.
That's a good one, man. That's a keeper too.
Yeah, that's about the same size that one you got over there.
Dad just said, so how are you two doing?
Send this picture.
We could have had 2 eaters. Look how beautiful these fish are, man. Very cool.
Back on.
I knew it would have to turn on a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, I was getting a little worried. That's as long as it's ever taken. Oh jeez. Yep, it's on. That one felt big. I don't know, man. You get him out of current, then you're like, damn, you don't feel that big anymore.
Hey, you're all the way out in the white water. Yeah.
Oh. Here's a striper. Oh yeah, that's a better one too. That's a way better one, I think. Eh, not really.
You got it? Yeah, I got it.
Thanks, man.
Oh.
Feel bad making you net them all. God, they fight so strong in that current. I think this one is a little bigger though. Oh god. Oh shit. He's just about to go. God. It's amazing they don't, those hooks stay in them.
Yeah.
I'm out of a mess this time. That was kind of my fault. Alright, thanks man. I got too excited to get her in the net there. It's getting up there. Still nowhere near like those ones, I think. Or I'm way out there. You got him? You got him? Oh god! Oh, yeah. He's taking a picture, he hooks one. Alright. There, bud. You got him? Hopefully, I gotta get this net worked out. Yeah.
It's a white bear.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a good one. The current's going this way now. Bring it, go walk up that way. Yeah, the current's taking it clear this way now.
There it is.
That's a stud. That's a stud, Jake. That's 6.5 pounds, bro.
That one felt heavy.
That's yeah, that's over 6.
That's a good one.
Oh yeah. I got a scale. You want me to scale it?
If you want to.
Yeah, I could scale. I bet you it's over 6.
5'6". That's like the one in your video that you thought was bigger, and it's
5'6". It's still a stud.
Yeah.
5'6". Good fish, Jake.
Oh yeah.
Let me get a photo for you. Looks huge.
Yeah. I gotta drop him off the bottom.
All right.
A little bigger.
And just try to give him a toss so he doesn't.
What's that?
Just give him to like kind of flip so he won't.
Yeah. Just kind of flipping so
Yeah. Oh god. Oh, that worked.
he's alright. He hit tail first. That's another good one.
Yeah, you got her figured out now. That was big?
Nah, it's just
in that current. That's a pretty good one, Jake.
It was yanking on it in the current.
Yeah. They're strong. Look, now the current's going the other way.
And that's like that line straight on the side.
Oh, she's hanging there. Yeah. It's not a bad one. Last one was just a hog.
It's just like, I'm trying to just like fall out of your hand and I'll stay.
I'll just kind of, let me show you?
Yeah.
Just kind of go like this.
I don't like to drop them on the side.
Kind of go. Oh, that one didn't work. Usually they just go,
just like
yeah, usually they go head first. You gotta adjust for the weight, I guess. That was a little too small. 2 in a row, you spank now. Smells like a good one. Oh yeah, it's a stud. If you don't mind, it's a pretty good one. Thank you, sir.
Where are you at?
Right here. Figure out what the current's doing. Where's it going? That way? Alright. Yeah. Got some fight in there. Shit, it's a tank. I didn't realize it was big. Nice. Thank you. That's bigger than I thought she was.
Good 5 pounds. We came down here 2 years ago. And we smashed them like this, one after
Oh
another.
yeah. That's the biggest one I've seen up here.
That's a real good one.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Biggest one we had was I think 10 pounds.
Yeah, this one's probably like 7. We got one the other day that was 713.
You get them all right out on that edge water?
That one actually kind of hit closer in. Yeah. I mean, that's a stud. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, not a problem.
Yeah, it's in here. Take it when you guys take a picture for me. I'm probably gonna head out after this guy. I was waiting for one good one. I finally got her.
I'm gonna guess that's 6, 7.
I think she might break 7. I don't know. They're strange because they're. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, they always seem like they weigh more than they look for some reason. A little different than bass.
Yeah.
She might be in the 6s though. Like, there was one the other day I could have sworn was like maybe 4 pounds and it was 5 something.
That's 4.
Yep, 747. 7. Stops wiggling hopefully. 745. I will take it. Whew, that's a pretty good one. 745. You sneak past you. I don't like dropping the big ones up there. That is a freaking stud. Oh yeah. I'm gonna let her go. Later, mama. Feel bad dropping them this big. Perfect release though. I think I'm on that note, I think I'm gonna get out of here. I was waiting on that one good one. It's like 3 pounders. 3 pounders all day pretty much. Really hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I think I still have 1 or 2 more damn videos of these striped bass, and then after that I got a bunch of Lake Erie stuff coming up for you guys. Some really cool stuff, switching it up a little bit. I've loved chasing after these hybrid striped bass, but I don't want to keep milking them for content, you know. Like, it's been so much fun. Honestly, it's been a ton of fun. It's distracted me from bass a little bit, but I don't know, this is like the 7th video or 6th video or something of fishing these giant dams on the Ohio River for hybrid striped bass, and I don't know, I think it's time to change it up, switch gears a little bit. I really appreciate everybody out there that watches my videos. It's been a grind to get this far, but I love making this content, so I'm going to keep on doing it. But alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.